Are you renovating your tired old bathroom or installing a bathroom in your newly built home? For all your bathroom remodeling and installation needs, Amber has the answer. We have a comprehensive selection of bathroom tiles and accessories to suit any design style. To save you time, we offer several bathroom renovation packages. These include a set of hand-selected bathroom wall and floor tiles from leading suppliers around the world. Our packages are expertly curated to create an exciting combination of tones and textures in your new bathroom. The choices are endless if you'd like to select your own tiles. We have an extensive range of ceramic, porcelain, and natural wall and floor tiles to transform your bathroom. Choose from subtle, neutral tones, earthy hues, or coloured tiles to complete your design vision. Your new bathroom isn't complete without beautiful bathroom accessories. We stock mirrors, vanity units, towel rails, and soap dispensers in classic and contemporary styles. Choose from finishes including brushed nickel, chrome, satin, gunmetal, and matte black. Taps and mixers, sinks and basins, baths and toilets, grates and underfloor heating. Get creative and make it your own. You'll be spoiled for choice. Here at Amber, we have years of bathroom renovation experience and a wide variety of bathroom tiles and accessories to choose from. Visit your nearest Amber showroom today to speak with our team of bathroom experts.